Ernest James is back. Provides his fifth-year senior leadership. He's won a lot of big matches. Whether it's good or bad, we have a lot of matches come down heavyweight. So he's been in some situations and he has the experience. We just needed him to take a big step. He's always been a top 10 to 20 guy, and we need him to be a top 10, and up guy. And I think he can do it. He's, again, when you get older, you're more mature. Your approach to wrestling is different and more focused. And we expect him, to be, wrestling on that last day at the NCAA tournament.
Say my preparation before the match, make sure I feel closer to 100% every match, and definitely towards the end at NCAAs.
We have a number of guys now. Fortunately for him, we got a couple workout partners. A local kid from Slippery Rock, Forrest Chrisman, I think is doing a nice job working hard, and a couple other freshmen, Lester Enriquez and Ben Sarkozy and Terrence Cheeks. We got a couple guys in there pushing Ernest, which I think is going to help him.
It's really important to get the feel of how, because heavyweights wrestle different, they're a little more belly, so you get the feel of that, and really when you're taking a shot, how it feels, the resistance against you and everything. So it's really important for those other heavyweights to be in it, because it just makes the feel of everything a little more